Feed them till they pop.
That one's huge.
Oh, feed him more. He's almost ready to pop.
Guys, here, quick.
Hurry, ducks. We're gonna tear their beaks off each other.
Come on, ducks.
I feel like they're gonna grab the camera out of my hand because they think it's food. That was a bet. He could have got that with his feet. Here, feed this one by a hand.
But you want it. Ready? Ready? Yes!
Here. More weapons. You can just hit them with that if they attack. Oh, they got afraid of bread. Oh, ricochet.
Sorry, ducks. It's done for you.
Yeah, the ducks just can't really fly as well. Oh, duck attack.
I think that's a seagull posing as duck.
Yeah, it is.
It is. So wrong.
He got a few that were not meant for him.
Yeah, because he came right up here. No!
Come on, duck.
Give it to that duck over there.
Come on, those ducks are gonna starve. Oh, he can't even compete. Maybe that one.
Get it! Yeah! Aww.
Oh, the seagulls are so aggressive.
Jeez.
Come on, ducky. He didn't even see that one.
He's trying.
Maybe the seagulls are gonna eat him.